Hi, my fellow developers. So we are going to look at a problem which is mostly asked in many interviews. So the question given to us is like we need to find out the unique element given an array of elements. Also, the assumption given is an element won't be repeated more than two times. Sorry. So what we can say for the naive approach which comes to our mind is just we create a new hash map and put the elements, and then based on the frequency we just print it. Even though given this naive approach, this will work like in most of the cases, like sometimes if the frequency of element is more than twice, so this will work. But here only thing is the space complexity will increase, and might be you might be interested, okay, no, I want to keep the space complexity also fixed, I don't want to increase it. Just look at the naive approach first. And also, like, since I am not having much hands-on in past 4 to 5 months, so I have just written the solution in Python. So I have handwritten it. So we just take an array, which is this one, and a new frequency map. We iterate the array, and wherever the element is present, we just sum it up, so we get a frequency of the array. And in the next step, we just iterate over the frequency map, and wherever count is equal to 1, we print it. Now this is now this is the approach which we are taking, where we are having the elements. Now we'll look at the next solution, which is basically a bitwise XOR operator. The idea of XOR operator is if you XOR an element by itself, it gives 0. If you XOR element by say 1, it gives that element alone. So what we are going to do here is we just multiply this entire we iterate over this numbers in the array, and we just create a multiplication. So ideally 4 cross 4, since it is 4 XOR 4, it will become 0, 3 XOR 3, it will become 0, and we left with 2, so we can print the result. The best thing is here time complexity is 1, while the space complexity is only 1, because we just introduce only one variable, which is result. So this is the idea. Let me know your comments what all other modifications we can have in this kind of problem. Thank you.